Welcome to Jose & Sons Seamless Gutters LLC, your trusted partner for gutter services in Rockland County and Westchester County. At Jose & Sons Seamless Gutters LLC, we specialize in providing high-quality gutter solutions to protect your home. With 25 years of industry experience, we have earned a reputation as a leader in the field, delivering top-notch services and exceptional customer satisfaction. Our services include gutter installation and repair, gutter cleaning, siding installation, roofing installation. Ready to upgrade or repair your gutters? Call us today at 845-821-3528 to schedule a consultation, or visit joseandsongutters.com for more information about our services. At Jose & Sons Seamless Gutters LLC, we understand that properly maintained gutters are crucial to protecting your home. Let us handle all your gutter needs so you can enjoy peace of mind. Choose Jose & Sons Seamless Gutters LLC, your reliable source for seamless gutter solutions in New York. We look forward to working with you.